Hello and welcome to another video here in the Restosaga YouTube channel. Thank you all for your subscriptions and kind comments in the last recent days. We recently broke 75,000 views, which I think is quite an achievement. Please keep on subscribing. There'll be a link at the end of this video on how to subscribe and keep following the work. Anyway, this is a quick video, another feature from the Restosaga headquarters. This is my model car collection. Something a bit different. Starting from the top then, these are two large Lego Technic models, both built by myself. The larger one is a 4x4 off-roader, has a working gearbox, V8, and a pneumatic sort of breakdown pickup arm on the back there, which I think is pretty cool. And behind that then is, well, apart from that's my car keys, but there's another little smaller off-roader, and I think the two make a really good complementary pair. Down then inside is one of my favourite models. It's an E-Type Jag. I think it's Series 1. I think it's really nice in that it's from metallic grey. I think it really complements it very well. Along the front here, some very early Matchbox Lesney toys. The all important Land Rover at the front. The orange cement mixer was my first of those set. In behind we have some Oxford Diecast 176 scale models, quite a few Land Rovers plus another assortment. Some old classic tractors. That was part of a Universal Hobbies type part work magazine feature. Other odds and ends that I've picked up, really like the big Healy there at the bottom. An ostrich egg, it's a bit odd, but from my travels. That canoe there was hand built by my grandfather. And other little models collected in my travels. For instance, the little Trabant that was picked up in Berlin, fittingly, just by the Berlin Wall. Or the site of the old Berlin Wall, I should add. Down on the second level then, this is a brass orrery, or model solar system. It's fully working. This is a part work from a magazine I managed to complete at significant cost, but I think it's a really cool item. Glad to be able to keep it in a display cabinet. I'll zoom out here. Glad to be able to keep it in a display cabinet, keep the dust off it. Runs off electricity. Really nice thing when it's running. Other bits and pieces here. One of my favourite racing cars of all time, the Aston Martin DBR9. Featured Le Mans. Lovely car. Some more Land Rovers. That's Churchill's Land Rover on the right hand side of that set of three. Sorry about the glare there from the light. That's my dad's old Dodge toy. I think it's from the 60s anyway. It's pretty cool, pretty good order, really like it. A matching pair of models from the Die Another Day James Bond film, both with all the weaponry hidden away that can be brought out. Two lovely old Mercedes I was given as a child. And the all-important Ferrari F40, hard to beat. A few more Matchbox ones. Here's a more recent McLaren P1. Down in the bottom then, Jaguar XJ220. Picked up at a classic car show for an absolute bargain. Really good order, some dust, but I think it's an absolutely brilliant model. Brilliant size. Some assorted other models. Generally I just pick up ones I like the look of. Sometimes I do go out of my way to find classic cars, but most of the time just aesthetically pleasing. That was given to me as a gift from Kenya. It's a model Land Rover built out of Coke lids and wire. That's really cool. And behind here, some more just nice models that I like. Nothing in particular other than that. Nice 911. The orange Range Stormer there in the middle was a concept car that Mattel actually made into a 1 in 76. Sorry, not 1 in 76. Must be a bigger scale than that. Into a model. That's good fun. Blue, well, it's a summer blue 9N Polo. That was the model of my first car. Some nice old American pickups. And a few models from the other part works available today. Okay, thanks very much for watching. Hopefully that's of interest to you. Any comments, please feel free to make them. Please hit subscribe, the button should be appearing on the left hand side of your screen now. Feel free to watch the other videos on the channel and get in touch. Thanks very much.